To custom venture. Okay, today I'll be cutting out some ruffles for our sleeve, for hand sleeveless sleeve. Okay, follow me as we go. The ruffle will depends on how wide, how long you want it to be. If you like, I can make it 5 inches, I can make it 6. So you put your cloth on fold this way and then double fold it. Double fold it. Like I said, it depends on what you want, how wide you want your ruffle to be. I just need about 4.5. So I make it to be 5. My measurement to be 5. Did you see the way I want a circle? So mine will be about 5. So don't waste cloth. Can you see? I need 5, but this my fold is about 7. So reduce your fold so I don't keep wasting the cloth. Once this side is 5, every other side will give you 5. Okay, so I have about 5.5, not too bad. Okay, mark my 5 here. So by the time I sew it, I'll be getting 4.5. Mark my 5 through. Okay, mark my 5 through. So the next thing I join the dot together. Okay, and when you are sewing this, you can use either doll face or you use organza or any other material you think that can stand very well, because the standing of it is what makes the difference. So I cut it through. Okay, this is it. I've cut this. This is a circle. So I will need about 12 of this. I will need 12 of this one to make the design I want to make. So I have one I've already cut here. So the right face to the right face. Okay, then to help your stand very well, you need the crinoline. You tape it together, run your stitch with the crinoline on the circles. Okay, I will join them together. We make a hole to turn it. Okay, we make a hole to turn it out. Okay, let's get to the machine. Okay, our circle crinoline satin is ready. Okay, you know, we open the middle here so that we could bring in, turn into the right place. So it has been ironed. So how do we do it? How do we start it? So what do? We do it this way, fold it this way. Okay, then fold it this way. Okay, then fold it this way. Then sew this place. Use your needle and thread to stitch it together. Okay, just to hold it firmly as if you are forming a rosette. This is what to do to every one of them. I haven't stitched it very well, not it. Okay, once you know it's west there, you open it this way. You open it this way. Maybe you want to start it. If you want to use it this way, if you want to use it this way, you want it this way. So it depends on the style you want. Okay, so I picked the second one. This is one of the styles you can use it. Then we are going to attach this one to the sleeve. Okay, it's going to serve as the decoration of the sleeve. You manipulate it as you want it to be. Okay, this is one. I will do another one so that we can see whichever way you want it to be done. Remember, fold it this way. The first fold, the second fold, okay, then the third fold. Okay, you can now manipulate it as you want. You can go this way. Remember, you are going to stitch it. Stitch it. Stitch it the way to stay. So you look at it. Are you okay with the design? So whichever way you are designing it, stitch it along that way. Okay, I think I don't mind this one. Okay, so after we have done the 6 of them, you know, we are going to be using 3 per sleeve, or rather shoulder, the shoulder. So this will be serving as the decoration on our shoulder, our design. So when you are attaching it to the sleeve, you do the remaining maneuvering, the remaining manipulation of it. Okay, how about this? Don't you like this? It's fine, it's beautiful. Let's go on with the remaining ones. Wow, the 6 of them are ready. The 6 roses are ready. So we attach 3 per sleeve. Okay, let's go attaching them. Happy view. It's time to fix our ruffles. Okay, I've gotten 6 pieces. I will fix 3 for each of the sleeve, and then this design will come up very well on sleeveless cloths. Okay, that is when the beauty will come. I put one directly on the shoulder, okay, and then attach it with my needle. Attach with my needle. Make it very firm. Let your knitting be, your stitching be hidden so that it doesn't come out. That's for the direct shoulder. Attach it as many places as possible that will make it to stay very well. You know, sewing comes with creativity. You use your creativity here. If you like the one I've done, use it. You can have the same design and have a different way of designing your own. Your bow might not come out this way. Okay, sewing is all about creativity. Okay, so this one stays on the shoulder. The next one, I put it here. It serves as the lower part of the sleeve. Okay, I attach it here. This is how the sleeve will turn out to be. I haven't arranged it. Look at how beautiful it is. Like I said, it's better